Are you still looking for a home in Central Ohio? I can get you free access to pre-market homes if you're interested. Okay, and of course we end it with a question mark, not a period. I know that's not grammatically correct, but it's designed to get them to reply. So don't change it. Don't improve it. Don't say this sounds better or is more grammatically correct or whatever the term is. I want you to use this exactly the way that it shows. So again, very simple approach that you can use here. Simple text message that you'll send. Are you still looking for a home in X? I can get you free access to pre-market homes if you are interested. So you will find that will create massive numbers of responses for you. Good and bad, by the way. Some people are going to say, yes, I'm very interested in that. And some people are going to say, no, I already bought a home. No, I'm not interested, whatever the case is. So I want you to send that out every way that you can today. Hey, we've got a lot more for you in store to help you in growing your real estate business. What I want you to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel here. Now, it's totally free. If you don't have a YouTube account, you can set one up free of charge. I want you to subscribe to this channel because I'm going to show you how you can get closings on a monthly basis, how to attract more buyers, how to attract more sellers, what you can do with totally free marketing to grow your real estate business. We're loading new videos all the time, so I want you to do a couple of things. Number one, subscribe to the channel here. Secondly, I want you to ring the bell. That's going to notify you every time we post a new training video to help you in growing your real estate business. It's important for you to grow and learn from today's real estate market. This is going to show you exactly what to do so you can start attracting more business immediately. Now, most importantly, I want you to look at the description below here. You'll see some information in a link that can help you to start getting more closings today. I want you to check it out right now. Check in the description and go to that link. That's going to help you in growing your business and attracting more clients as quickly as possible. We'll see you soon.